Hey guys, welcome back to my channel KKB Concepts. I'm back with my new video, and in this video I will introduce you all about timer bar in PowerPoint. When most of us make quizzes in PowerPoint for schools or offices, we need a timer for the time limit, but we don't know how to make it. So for that only I am making this video. And if you find this video informative, so please like and share this video. And if you are new to my channel, so please subscribe my channel KKB Concepts. Let's begin. So now we can begin our process. But before going on our process, we will see an example so that you all would know that what will be the output of this video. So let's go through our process. So here there is a bar in which a blue color is passing and it will reach the end in 10 seconds. So now as you can see, it has reached the end. It means that it has crossed 10 seconds. So let's see how did I make this timer bar. Now I've inserted a slide in a PowerPoint presentation, and in the Insert tab we can choose a rectangle shape from the Shapes drop-down menu and insert it in our slide. And after that you go to the Format tab and in the Shape Fill drop-down menu choose No Fill option. After that, you can just tick the border of the rectangle shape by choosing the Shape Outline drop-down menu, and then in the Weight drop-down menu, choose any point, but I am choosing 6 points. After that, you can just change the outline of the border of the rectangle shape. You can choose any color, but I am choosing red color. After that, you can just create a copy of this rectangle shape by pressing Ctrl plus D, or you can also right click on the rectangular shape and then press copy, then again right click, and you can choose the first paste option which you can see. Now as you can see, a copy of the rectangular shape has appeared. Just place this rectangular shape just above the rectangular shape which we formed earlier. Now the rectangular shape which we formed now, in the Shape Fill drop down menu, choose any color. I am choosing blue as it looks attractive and beautiful. After that, in the Animations tab, you can choose Wipe, but it is coming from down to up, but we want it from left to right. So for that, click on the Effect Options drop down menu which you can see here, and then choose from left. As you can see, it is moving from left to right, but it moves so fast. So for that, it is not something very serious. If you double click on it, you can see that it is 10 seconds and 0.5 seconds. If it is right, then you have to just take a long press on it and you can see start 10.0 seconds. And after that, the last step is that you have to click start on click, or you can do start with previous or start after previous if you have any other object. So now let's see what is the output of all these process which we did. So I am clicking the slideshow button and then I have pressed my button. After this, you can see the blue color is reaching the end in the given time, as I showed you in the starting of the video in my example. So thanks for watching my video, and please like and share my video if you find this video useful and informative. And don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you. We will meet again in my next video.